Are you new to investing, or just don't want the stress and emotion of timing the market? You're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the world of dollar cost averaging. Investing might seem terrifying, especially when the market is volatile, but there's a way that makes investing simpler, especially for beginners and those who like to play it safe. It's called dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that allows beginning investors to participate in the market without having to come up with a large sum of money up front. This technique takes away the challenge of timing the market. Are you more of a hands-off investor? Dollar cost averaging is for you too. It fits perfectly with the buy and hold mindset as it allows you to set up automatic periodic contributions. Furthermore, dollar cost averaging shines in volatile market environments. It prevents you from investing your entire amount at market peaks and takes emotion out of the volatility equation. However, like everything in life, it's not for everyone. If you have a limited time frame for investing, the benefits might not play out in your favor. For quick goals, a lump sum could potentially work better. Also, if you are the type of investor who enjoys the thrill of active trading, this may not be your cup of tea, as it locks away capital that you could otherwise trade with. And let's not forget, expensive trading fees. While this strategy has its perks, the benefits could be outweighed by hefty fees. This is where alternatives like index funds or no transaction fee options come in the picture. Before you decide on dollar cost averaging, consider your time horizon until the money is needed, your personality as an investor, and the types of investments you're looking at. Once you've thought through the pros and cons and feel it's right for your situation, stick with your strategy through the highs and lows. If you're still unsure whether you should go with the dollar cost averaging strategy, don't worry, we've all been there. It's all about assessing the suitability relative to your personal circumstances. In conclusion, dollar cost averaging is a simple and effective strategy for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. It's an excellent way to invest in volatile markets without the stress of timing your investments. Are you ready to make investing a less stressful task in your life by practicing dollar cost averaging? Let's get started now. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful. Also, subscribing to the channel helps us bring you more informative content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.